Alright, what's going on YouTube? DapperxDan here. Another beautiful day here in Colorado. It's currently like 70 degrees. It's super nice. We are currently taking a chill ride to Carter Lake for one of my subscribers. His name is Blake. Balake? Balake. Is there a Balake? It's pronounced Blake.
Balake. Where is Balake at? There's no Balake here today. Yes, sir.
My name's Blake.
So he's currently serving overseas in the military. I'm not sure where, but I know he's deployed overseas somewhere. And he's kind of from this area, southwest Loveland, and Carter Lake area, I guess. It must be like one of his favorite spots. So he requested that I take a ride around there so he can get some views of his home. And he didn't really request which bike we ride, so I figured I would jump on the 48. It's gonna be a nice chill ride. Oh geez, got a bunch of cyclists. Let's get ahead of them. Hey. So yeah, I guess he's from southwest Loveland here, so we'll get him some views of his area that he's from. He said he likes to watch my videos because it reminds him of being back home, so the least I can do is make a video of his area and his favorite spot. I was in the military myself, so I know exactly how it is being away from home. It kind of sucks. You always miss being home, and I always tried getting stationed back home, but it never worked out for me. So there's some nice slow twisty roads here. We'll take it easy since we're on the Sportster. I mean, this does have a little bit better lean angle than most other Harleys, but we'll still take it easy. Gotta watch out for other cyclists. Ooh, that's a nice house right there. That's super nice. Got a walkout basement and everything. There you go. That one's nice. There's a lot of very nice houses in this area. They're probably real expensive too. Got some horses too. Nice. Ah, yeah. So there's some pretty good views over here. I haven't been here in forever. But yeah, so when I was in the military, I went to both Iraq and Afghanistan, and I definitely think Iraq was so much better than Afghanistan. Ooh, look at that view. Nice. Geez, cyclist. Alright, here we go. Carter Lake. Wow, this road is steep. Oh my gosh. Ooh, Cobra, nice. Alright, here you go. Here's some views right here. Ah, yeah. There we go. There's Carter Lake. Look at that. People out on the boat today. Last time I was here was a couple years ago. I went paddleboarding here. ski boat. Nice. We got some little twisties here. Man, there's some good views. Look at that. Ah, yeah. Carter Lake is pretty big too. I don't exactly know how big it is, but it's a decent sized lake. Some gravel. Oh man, look at these views. These mountains aren't quite out of tree line. There's a little bit back there that are above the tree line, but not these small ones. Got some super nice houses over here too. Got another area over here with this red sand that reminds me of like Georgia or Colorado Springs. Little chained off parking area there. Oh yeah, look at these views. Wow, that's a really good view there. Don't hit the dog. There you go. That's pretty much the end of Carter Lake. I think there's like a campground or something over here. Like a little retreat area or something. I don't know. You got the boat docks over here too. Very nice. And this red, there's a ton of red rock over here. I don't know what that's called, but it's everywhere. Ah, yeah. I would have thought it would have been way windy up here, but it's not. Horsetooth is usually pretty windy whenever I'm riding over there. It's not as windy over here. That's very nice. Yeah, definitely like a campground over here. Excuse me, cyclist. Nice. Wow, the house up there. I wonder if that's a house or like a building, public building or something. Is there a gas station over here? No, of course not. Oh, we got a downhill at least. Geez, this hill's pretty steep. A little bit of a sporty hill here. There you guys go. That was the Carter Lake run for my subscriber Blake. Wow, look at this house. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 car garage. That is goals right there. That is house goals. Jeez, that is super nice. Oh yeah, now the wind started back up. That's right out of the lake area. There was no wind. Now that we're back over here, there's a bunch of wind. Geez, this downhill is pretty steep too. And of course, more cyclists. This road would be really fun on the Supermoto. See how much we could regen coming down, because this is a long hill. Geez. We got some more cruisers. People out having a good time. See if we get waves. Nice, nice, nice. Very nice. Alright, that is it. That is the Carter Lake run. I think that's the end of it right there. Hope you guys enjoyed that video of some Carter Lake views. It's definitely a pretty nice ride, nice and relaxing. But that's a cool horse statue. We got through these the cliffs over here. Ooh, that would be cool. Have a little river running through your front lawn. Nice. And there were some more horses. Very nice. There's a lot of nice houses out here with lots of land. That's what I want someday. Like a couple acres and a pretty nice house. Lots of garage space. That's what I need. Alright, has everybody stopped here? Alright. Ooh, what is that? I don't know what that is, but it looked cool. Alright, you guys, that is pretty much the end of today's video. We are back out onto one of the main roads. Hope you guys enjoyed that video. And Blake, if you watched all the way to the end, you better give it a thumbs up. Hopefully this helped bring you some views of your hometown, your home area, and hopefully you make it back safely from wherever you're at. Geez, the wind really picked up now. Anyway, guys, if you enjoyed this video, enjoyed these beautiful mountain views, look at this view right here. These guys are lucky. You can walk out, you got this view on your front porch. Look at that view. Look at that. Nice. But if you enjoyed the video, make sure you hit that thumbs up button. Leave me a comment and let me know what you think. If you really enjoyed the video, share it with a friend. And if you haven't already, hit the subscribe button. Thanks for watching and have a good day.